Hello parents, welcome to Mom I Love and I am Shubhoshri. Today I am going to discuss with you that how you can teach alphabets to your children serially. So parents of many toddlers do have this question in their mind that it is very difficult to teach our kids alphabets in a serial order, serially. It may happen to you that your child will recognize A, D, C, B like that, and they don't put this alphabets into a proper sequence or order. So if you have this problem, watch this video till the end as I'm going to share with you some tips which are really going to be helpful for you. So before I begin my video, I will request you to subscribe to my channel and hit that bell icon. I have also noticed that there are many viewers who are watching me these days, but I have a request that please subscribe to my channel, because most of you haven't subscribed, and if you don't subscribe, you are not going to get the latest video notification. So please subscribe to my channel to support me, and I thank you from the bottom of my heart for being with me. And as today I have reached to 200 subscribers, and I'm really happy about that. So to teach alphabet serially to your child, first what you can do is sing songs. Yes, we have given less importance to singing songs these days to our kids. So when your child is around 1 year and 1.5 years, start singing. You know, sometimes we think that our kids, they listen to a song on the TV and they quickly catch that song. That they have the power of catching that song, because songs, that rhymes, that music, that gets into their brain. So when your child is around 1 year old, you start singing that ABCD song to them. That will help you a lot. You will notice that there is a havoc change. You don't have to actually formally teach your child the alphabets, because when you are singing songs, that is getting into your child's brain and they are picking it up from there. So there will be no further need to establish that sequence into their brain. So now when your child has started talking, teach them the ABCD alphabet rhymes so that they can sing along with you and they can enjoy the rhymes with you. Teach them different kind of songs, different kind of rhymes about alphabets, and they will be literally happy to take up this. You can also try for numbers, so that like they can in an order they can say from 1 to 10. So that rhymes and singing is going to help you a lot in this way. Now after your child has turned 2, it is the time for you to start with letter recognition. So what happens is, now by the time your child has already learned that their ABCDs, means maybe they are not being able to recognize, but they can sing the song clearly. Now the time comes when they have to recognize the word by its side, right? So first you have to buy few books which are like cardboard books, those thick ones which your child cannot damage easily, or that doesn't hurt your child as well. So you have to buy few books like that which has large illustrations onto it, so that your child can clearly understand that when you are saying A, that means this one. So you have to buy few books of alphabets. Second thing which is very important is flashcards, because you know, when something is written on a book, when you are showing that, for example, in a page it is written ABCD, when you are saying that it is A, pointing out to A, that might not imply to your child. They might look into some other alphabet and think it's A. But when you use a flashcard, that card only holds one alphabet, and your child is not going to get confused with that. So buying flashcard is a very good idea. You can buy flashcard to teach your child letter recognition. Also try and use alphabet charts. That has helped me a lot. When my child was a toddler, I installed a alphabet chart into my room, so that every time she is walking in and out, she can take a glimpse of that and she can remember. Because kids, if something go out of their sight, that will also go out of their mind. So for that reason, I have kept that chart just in front of her eyes, so that she can take a look of it anytime. Now coming to the toys, that whenever you are giving some toy to your preschooler or toddler, make sure that you have few elements or few toys into it which is like alphabets. So you can take help of wooden blocks which have alphabets on it, or wooden toys which like puzzles which they have to just put on ABCD together like that. So you can buy such toys for your child, and you know, when you show them the alphabets in every aspect, like you have a chart installed, you have flashcards, you are singing songs, the toys which you have gave them also comprises some elements of alphabets, then your child, the focus of your child comes from different ways and your child can easily learn that. My last suggestion in this video is take help of worksheets. Worksheets are very helpful even if you are struggling with making your child write or read or understand letters. You can take help of worksheets. In 2 of my previous videos I have shared worksheets which are specially meant for kids from 2 to 3 years old, so you can take a look in the description box below. I will put the link there. So when your child is around 2.5 to 3, you can expect that they will learn their alphabets clearly and serially. So follow these points and easily teach your child alphabets serially. So with this I come to the end of this video. If you like my video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. See you in my next video. Till then, bye bye.